What's going on, everyone? It's Jamie here from Shopify Masterclass, and today we're going to be looking at t-shirt store examples. We take a look at these examples, what products they sell, how they advertise their products on their Shopify store, and their overall layout, and some of the cool features that they have to get inspiration for your own t-shirt store. So make sure you stay to the end of the video here. Now, before I dive in, I just want to thank our sponsor, Profit Calc, the one-click profit calculator app available on the Shopify App Store. It's going to allow you to skip those spreadsheets and get back to growing your store. It's going to come with a 15-day free trial as well, and there's a link in the description below to access that. Now we show a quick video detailing their full feature set.
Are you a Shopify business owner who spends hours doing your accounting? Have messy spreadsheets kept you from growing your business? Discover Profit Calc, the affordable and easy to set up Shopify app that crunches your numbers in just one click. It automatically syncs with all your accounts and expenses to calculate your profit, displaying everything in an easy to read dashboard so you understand your business in real time. Start for free on the Shopify App Store today.
All right, so now let's dive into some of our example stores here today. And the first one is going to be That Shirt Was Cash. And they just sell a ton of meme-able shirts here, coming from different memes, different designers, and so on. So if we scroll through the homepage, we get a lot of their detailed designs here. If we head into a category such as funny and memes, we can see that like most t-shirt stores, there's going to be a ton of SKUs and variants for these products, as they can cover a lot of different designs quite easily, especially if they're doing something such as print on demand. We can hold essentially no inventory and get things printed and shipped quite quickly. You can see different memes here, the legendary pants shirt, Cookie Wave, also Getting Swole, just a ton of memes here. There's quite a few things featuring North Korea. And if you scroll down, you can just see tons of different products. Now, this store doesn't only sell t-shirts, they sell sweaters, hoodies, as well as different pants and yoga pants items, which tend to be quite common. They even sell some masks here. So these all look to be their original designs here and different memes. They're simply taking those designs and putting it on a few different items. So we can see this Cookie Wave is featured on a bandana, a mask here, there's a tank top. So overall, they're reusing those same designs, which you should be doing, I think, as customers may want the design on different items. Something that the store does well here is that they have a bundle option available. So we can see that this Cookie Wave t-shirt is also available in pants as well as this t-shirt option. So you can simply combine them together and save 15%. So that's going to encourage the customer to purchase multiple things at once, increasing the average order value. We also have a description behind the meme as well, so you can understand a little bit about where it came from. They're also collecting reviews, as every Shopify store should, further adding social proof. If we take a look at That Shirt Was Cash on SimilarWeb, we can see it was founded in 2014. They have an estimated 1 to 10 employees, and they're sitting at under 1 million in revenue. So it's not a ton of statistics from SimilarWeb here, but overall their client base is mainly based in the US, and it's mostly male. Next, let's take a look at a little bit of a different t-shirt company, and that's going to be the Organic Tee. And these t-shirts are going to be made out of organic cotton, made in Australia, Australian owned. It's going to be 100% organic. And so they're going to be taking their base t-shirt, and I'm assuming is extremely comfortable, and it is sustainable as well. And then we're adding different designs on top if you're into that. Overall, good product imagery. I think we're using black as our add to cart button, as black is going to be associated with more fashion brands and luxury brands there. Overall, an excellent Shopify site here. Everything is laid out nicely. And they have good product descriptions as well, describing the benefits of this organic tee. Next, let's take a look at tfury.com. Again, this one is going to be very focused around different t-shirt designs and limited t-shirt designs here. So it's going to encourage you to buy these soon. If we simply take a look at the homepage as well, they're having a battle between different designs here. And you can see which one has more purchases. You can see it's quite close. I do like that as well, because if you like the design, you probably will end up purchasing something that supports the design that you like more. It's going to be very Halloween themed right now, as that is coming up soon. And overall, they have quite a few products that are going to relate to that. And overall, this site is just going to have a ton of designs here and tons of inventory, as we're going to cover different brands, different themes. And it'll be quite easy with t-shirts, as you're going to have the base t-shirt and you can almost print anything on it to fit the niche that you're looking for. Something this site does really well is they have really good categorization. They have a ton of SKUs and a ton of variants. So they're going to organize it into overall categories and then have tons of subcategories here, making it easy to find what you're looking for. If we take a look at SimilarWeb for T-Fury, they can see $2 to $5 million in annual revenue, and it was founded in 2008. Lastly, let's take a look at Shelfies here. They're going to sell animal themed apparel, mainly t-shirts here, as well as different hoodies. You can see they do a great job at organization as well. So we can see a top menu of sweaters, Christmas memes, t-shirts, and they're going to have subcategories under that. You can see custom, new, sales. They also have different themes, making it easy to find what you're looking for, different clothing items, as well as different things for your apartment. So overall, again, it's going to be a store with a high amount of inventory. So they do a good job of organizing that information as well, as having a search bar up here so you can find what you're looking for. So what they do well is they have a sizing chart. They have a little diagram as well to make it easy to find what you're looking for. And they have a nice green add to cart button, making it really easy to find out what to do next. If we plug Shelfies into SimilarWeb, we can see they do around $2 to $5 million in revenue with only 1 to 10 estimated employees. So overall, this concludes the video on t-shirt store examples. Let me know in the comments what you thought of these examples, or if you think we missed any. If you enjoyed the video, I would love it so much if you hit that like and subscribe button below. If you have any questions, leave a comment. Lastly, I want to mention our sponsor, Profit Calc, again, the one-click profit calculator app available on the Shopify App Store. Comes with a 15-day free trial, and there's a link in the description below to access that there. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in our next video.